In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the cache in Outlook. If Outlook feels sluggish, shows outdated profile photos, has search results that don't seem to update, or keeps loading old data, clearing the cache is a quick and safe way to refresh it. The cache is just temporary files Outlook stores to speed things up. Removing it won't delete your emails, calendar events, or contacts. It simply forces Outlook to rebuild fresh, up-to-date copies. First, open Outlook and go to Settings. You'll usually find this by clicking the gear icon near the top right of the window. If you're using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, the gear is always visible in the header. On classic desktop builds, you may see a similar settings button that opens a panel on the right. The key is to get into Outlook's settings area so we can access the right controls. Next, click General. In the settings pane, look down the left sidebar for a section labeled General. This is where Outlook groups broad preferences that apply across your account and app, like language, notifications, and most importantly for today, privacy and data management. If your list is long, scroll until you see General. The label is consistent across current versions. Now select Privacy and Data. Under the General section, you'll find Privacy and Data, which is where Outlook keeps options for stored content and activity. Think of this as your hub for what Outlook saves locally to make things feel faster. Thumbnails, image previews, and cached mailbox items that help with quick loading and searching. Finally, select Clear Data. Look for the Clear Data button and click it. You may see a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and confirm. Outlook will remove the temporary files it relies on for speed. This process usually takes a few moments depending on how much data has accumulated. Don't worry, your mail, calendar, and folders stay intact. What you might notice after clearing is that the first time you open a mailbox or run a search, it can take a bit longer as Outlook rebuilds its cache. That's normal and often resolves issues you were seeing before. When the clear completes, it's a good idea to close and reopen Outlook to let everything reload cleanly. If you work offline, give the app time to resync. Attachments and images may re-download as you open them, and search results should become more accurate. And that's it. By going to Settings, opening General, choosing Privacy and Data, and selecting Clear Data, you've refreshed Outlook without touching your actual messages.